everyone, I am Alain, and if it's your first time on my channel, I am an artist that like to do art around manga and anime. And today I'm going to share with you an event I made with the participation of the Jugendhaus, which means House of Youth in English. The theme of that event was hip-hop on air, and we were having fun, enjoying food and drinks, and of course listening to artists doing hip-hop music. Shout out to Charline, Léilan, David, Stéphanie, Jessica, Ermin, and Alain. We got a group of young participants and we gave them graffiti bombs to create art by drawing their names in Japanese writings, Kanji, and hiragana. It was an amazing moment and people were having fun. It was really nice. Well, that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed our video like we did, and see you around next time. Bye.